Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new session where we will discuss about area between the curve. Means we will be giving you some curves, and between those curves you have to handle accordingly to calculate its area. Suppose that we guys are handling x, means we are interested in finding the area with respect to x-axis. Okay, so look at here. Suppose that this is the first situation where we guys are handling. So this is first curve, this is second curve, this is f of x, this is g of x. Same way we have another situation, f of x, g of x. So this is f of x, this is g of x. Now we have another situation, f of x, g of x. So f of x is above, g of x is below. Okay, so if you observe all the cases, here we have given you f of x to be above g of x, and we have to calculate area in the given region. Okay, so this is the required part in which we have to calculate the area. Okay, suppose it is a, it is b. So from a to b we have to calculate the area. So for these cases, how will you respond? Just look at here. So you will be writing required area equals integration from a to b, upper limit and lower limit, and then you will be writing upper curve minus lower curve, and then you are calculating with respect to dx. So this will become dx. So this is the situation by which we will be handling these situations. Okay, so how it will go? So because of upper curve you will be getting this area, and because of lower curve you will be getting this area. So upper curve minus lower curve, you will be left with area between the curve. Okay, so this is the region at which you are trying to calculate the area. I hope things are clear. Okay, same situation is here as well. Okay, so if now onwards, if they will give you multiple curves, how will you respond? You know it. Okay, now look at this. Suppose that we have to do the same with y-axis. Okay, so look at this. Here we are handling with respect to x. Now we will be handling with respect to y. Look at here. Same situation. Suppose that we have this. Okay, and we have this. This is not a function. First we'll make it a function. Okay, suppose this. Now this is your f of x, this is your g of x, and you wish to calculate the area around this part. Area between the curve means you are focused in this part. Okay, now for these cases how will you respond? Try to understand. So what you have to do, you have to go with, look at this, required area will be equal to integration from, suppose it is a to b. So a to b, right curve means I am talking about this right side curve, right curve minus left curve. dy. In this case you will be going with dy. Why I am telling you this? Because if you will go with upper curve minus right curve minus lower curve, left curve, look at this area you will get if you will be handling right curve, and if you will subtract the left curve you will be getting this area, so your answer will become area of shaded region. Okay, I hope things are clear now. Suppose we have this situation. In this, if you'll observe, it is direct to recognize who is in the top, bottom, left, right. Okay, suppose we have this situation. This is one of the curve, this is another curve. Now we have to calculate the area in the region this to this. So in this case, how will you respond? So who is this? Suppose it is A, suppose it is B, and this intersection point is C. So you have to find out the intersection point. Now look at this. Suppose it is f of x and suppose it is g of x. So what you have to do? You have to first find out the intersection point. Okay, that is C, required area. So how will you proceed? First you will integrate from A to C. Then you will be writing who is upper curve? Upper curve is f of x. So f of x minus g of x dx. Okay. Now plus integration from C to B. Then upper curve is gx minus fx dx. So this is how you will be calculating area in the given situation. I hope you understood the concept and you guys will apply these things whenever you will face these situations. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.